is Sunny Black from the San Diego Wild Animal Park, and she has brought some unique and interesting animals from the forest tonight. Would you welcome, please, Sunny Black? Now, some nights when animals come out here, I have no idea what they are. They're really wild and exotic. Obviously, this is a parrot.
She is. She's a yellow-naped Amazon parrot. Her name's Lolita.
Yeah.
And she's probably around 15 years old. She's been...
Parrots live a long time, don't they?
Long time. 50, 60 years if they're lucky. Healthy.
This is the Amazon parrot.
Yeah. She came to us about 13 years ago from...
Lolita? What's her name? Lolita?
Lolita.
Hello. Finally, we have had some long nights here with parrots that have done absolutely nothing. But
She won't show up.
hi, Lolita. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Are you okay?
Hello.
Okay, we got it. She'll just
She
chatter like
just
this?
go on forever if you let her. She's
Yeah.
She actually came from a...
Let me try one of these on her. Let's see. She does this all the time.
All the time. She's incessant.
Do parrots make... Are you one who likes... Okay. Wait till I get to the punchline. Are you one of those people who are not too happy to see parrots in cages, or do they make good pets?
It's difficult to say, really. That
Hello. Hello. Yeah, we got that.
The ones we have are great that we use out there.
Yeah.
She came to us from a very large family, and they had obviously about 400 kids that ran around. And 3 of them were usually in diapers, I think. She picked up.
They tend to nip sometimes, don't they?
Yes.
Hello. Hello. Yeah. Oh, we got it. We got it. Hello. Hello. Goodbye. Now you. It's the famous laughing parrot. I mean. Now, is she really laughing, or is it just a sound?
It's just it's imitation of a sound, really. She can bark. Can you bark? Bark.
All right, now do Humphrey Bogart.
Can you do a cat?
Meow. 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 Now can you bark? Bark. That's a nice bird. Okay, now what else do we got here?
Well, we have another one too.
Alrighty.
She has a
Finally,
partner.
a parrot that really performs.
This guy up.
Hello.
This one's an African gray parrot.
African gray parrot.
Yeah, with a red tail. He's got a handsome little lad.
They're really beautiful birds, aren't they?
They're gorgeous.
Yeah.
He learned to speak from Ray Berwick, who always had a pipe in his mouth, it seemed.
Yeah.
And most of what he does, it sort of sounds like he's packing a pipe in his mouth. Can you bark? No, he doesn't do that. That's why he didn't bark. We treat him with little sunflower seeds. Here, you ready? Could you cough? Cough. When he like a horse. When he like a horse? Sounded like a chicken, didn't it?
Yeah.
Could you blow your nose? Blow your nose. When you like a horse? A chicken. What's your name? What's your name? No, it's not. What's your name?
What's her name?
What's your name? Say hi, Bobby. Blow your nose. Cough. Can you do it? That's his trick. That's what we train the birds to bridge them with a clicker. He figured out how to do that sound. He sort of trained everyone.
And it's just from hearing the sound over and over again. And they imitate. It's marvelous. Okay, Bobby, thank you.
Okay, thanks a lot.
Over there with Lolita. We get along very well. Got a break here? Are we taking a break here, or are we going to go on? We have another parrot?
I brought the vulture for you.
Well, that's not a parrot. That vulture's a vulture.
The vulture is an Egyptian vulture.
Yeah.
They open up ostrich eggs in the wild using a tool as a stone as a tool.
They never thought that animals or birds used tools before, right?
Well, it's sort of hard to define what tool use is.
I suppose.
I guess a rock would work. And,
I've seen chimpanzees take a stick and stick it down in wetting it and stick it into termites and take them out. So
same kind of thing.
yeah.
Let me
So what did the vote? Hold it.
This way. His name is Tiba. He's an immature bird. He actually came from Africa. And what he does is something we didn't do anything to teach him to do. He's,
So he sees this ostrich egg and he wants to...
right. They're trying to figure out how they figured this out in the first place is that
Look at that.
they have a fondness for eggs of all sorts, usually reasonably sized
So
ones.
they learn to pick up a rock.
Well, they learn to pick up the egg and throw it down and then eat
Right.
the contents. And,
So to break the shell, they will actually learn by trial and error that by
right.
throwing a rock at... Look at this.
And they pick up egg-shaped rocks to throw it up ostrich
see.
eggs.
That's incredible.
That's not his
Right.
favorite rock at all.
Whoops. Just a
It
little
sometimes
off.
hits the toes. See that?
Just, yeah. Folks, it's just a bird. What do you want here? Expecting Rayford Johnson here.
Oh, hold it. I'll try that little one. It has a technique down for this. It's the aim that has to be worked.
Yeah, you have to work on that a little bit. Now, vultures, of course, really kind of clean up the landscape, don't they? From
They do. They eat a lot of carrion as
yeah.
well. That's ostrich egg.
This bird's going to starve to death. Obviously, you.
That's his favorite rock right there. So that should be his
Maybe
favorite.
that wants this. Give one more shot at it. All right. He's trying so hard.
He is.
Oh.
Whoa.
The thing is, even if he hits it, it's not going to break, right?
Oh yeah, it smashes right open.
Oh, it will.
It's not a reliable.
Oh, I see. All right, give him another go at it here. Maybe the... Oh! Maybe the parrot can tell him how to do it.
The technique's there.
The technique is there, and we'll work on that. We're going to come right back. Stay where we're waiting.
Oh.
Sonny Black from the San Diego Zoo Wild Animal Park, which is... You're down there, you must go there. It's fascinating. I've been there a number of times. Okay, now what do we got here?
We have a podu.
Now, I have the slightest idea. A Monteroo?
Podu from
Yep.
Australia.
It's a new one for me.
She's in the kangaroo family.
Looks like a big rat.
Well, not really.
Yes, it does. It looks like a big... I know a big rat when I see him.
She always stays a little
A
curly.
Pontaroo.
Yeah.
Marsupial?
Yes.
Yeah.
There's about over 60 living species of kangaroo found over there.
This is a relative of the kangaroo.
Hops on the back feet, just like a regular kangaroo. We use it down there in the new Aussie Down Under show that we're putting on. And,
Is it all right?
yeah, sure.
Well, yeah,
In
I
fact, you
always
can-
ask.
Oh,
I always ask. He's all curled up here now.